Look, there they are.
Hey, musk oxen, wait up!
Ugh.
I thought we already warned you not to come back here. Whoops.
Uh-oh. We're standing on a frozen lake.
Get back to the shore!
No, my babies! This is bad, Sam. Musk oxen are not good swimmers. Come on!
We've got to get them back to shore.
Those ice floes. Maybe... if we...
On it, Kit. Cluebot, go! Wait for it. Wait for it. Now!
This way, everybody!
Just one more.
Whoa! Whoa. There you go. Our babies! You saved them!
Just doing our jobs, ma'am.
You might want to consider getting this little guy a haircut, though. He can barely see where he's going.
Hmm?
Not mine.
Did I say something wrong?
This strange-looking fella doesn't belong to any of us.
He doesn't?
Actually, I don't think this is a calf at all.
Is it a wolf in oxen's clothing?
This is no wolf.
It's the Mice Squad! They've been here all along!
Oh, hey guys.
Bill, Jill, we got your distress call.
Come get us. I repeat, come get us.
Are you okay?
Distress call? You mean this?
We're doing undercover work in the tundra. No need to come get us. I repeat, no need to come get us.
Cold weather must have scrambled it. Weird.
But why were you undercover?
That's why. We wanted to record that sound for our new track.
We didn't even see you guys under all this fur.
We're just glad you're okay. Everyone at Clade will be so relieved.
Another creature case?
Closed.
So, you were recording our headbutting to use in your song?
Can we hear it?
All this dancing is warming me up.
Oh yeah? Just wait till you see my cool moves. Whoa.
You're looking pretty cool, all right. Check out some of the other Creature Cases videos on the channel.